Alright, my brand new expensive graphics card for that beast of a PC up there. Let's just open this, I guess. Oh, heaven. Maybe this really is a piece of heaven. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Pretty sweet instructions. See what they gave me. Oh. We got instructions manual, no need. And yeah, rewards program. I'm not interested in that. Just put all this back in here. Because I'm not interested in this. Here is my brand new, very, very expensive graphics card in all of its glory. Look, it's even got the diamond engraving in it, chat. Oh my god. It's even got the diamond engraving, chat. Oh my god. Carefully pull this thing out of here. God dang, this thing's heavy, dude. Oh my god. This is a bulky-ass graphics card.